Hi, this is Sahana from AML, and today we are going to explain the topic of choosing between list and tuple for customer review processing. And my teammates are Saima, Tanmay. Your problem statements goes like this. The task is to develop a Python program. It should do where it can do adding, updating, deleting, or finding some products, and also it should show if stock is in a low or in high product. It should be keep informing correct and up to the date what it's going of the stock, like it's on stock or out of stock. And work is a simple way, like using a menu or typing a command. Here tools are used are Python 3x and editors like VC Code, and it can be run on Windows 2. Methodologies are going are like first list first listed was further are needed, then used a Python dictionary to store products informations with name, type, a price, and a stock. We're going to show it's there in stock or not, the searched item. And data structure designs are these are going to be like that. And function definitions, we are going to add the product, update the product, delete the product, and search product, and even display the product. Like adding, we can add some products which are newly arrived. We are going to update the product, like edits the product detail, like price, discounts, whatever it's there. And deleting the product, we are going to remove a product if it's out of stock or it's was a damaged one, depends upon the review. And search product, we are going to find the products by name or type. And displaying the products, it shows the all products which are there in the tabular form. And user interface are simple menu using a command line like CLI, and can be updated to a GUI too. Error handling checks for wrong inputs, like navigating stock or letter in price. And testing, it goes like tried different cases to make sure it's work well or not. The product, it should work well, so that can be tested before updating. And extra features can add files or database savings to keep the data across the session. And next part is going to be continued by Tanmay.
This is Tanmay. I am going to explain the further part. Here in code, def is used to group code that performs specific task. And here self products is used referred to the products dictionary in the current inventory object. And self product PID is used to store the product in the dictionary used PID as the key. Here elif is used to, elif means else if, it is used in conditional statement to check multiple condition. While true, it create an infinite loop that keeps running forever unless you break it manually. And here break is used for to exit a loop earlier as soon as creation condition is met. And here is the output of the code. Justification for choice. Python was used because it's simple, easy to read, and great for automating tasks. A dictionary was used to store inventory data since it allows quick updates using product IDs. Functions helped organize the code, making it easier to manage and update. A command line interface CLI was used to keep things simple and avoid using extra tools. Input checks and menus were added to make the system easy to use and avoid the mistakes. Challenges faced: input checks, making sure user entered the right type of data needed extra error handling. Duplicate IDs, avoiding repeated product IDs was important to keep the data clean. Search, making search work well for the particle matches meant changing all the text to the same format. Menu design, creating simple and clear menus took carefully planning. No saved data. Since the program does not save the data after closing, further versions should be added file or database storage. Conclusion: this project helped me learn how to build an inventory system using Python. I practiced using data structure organized code with function handled user input and the user logic thinking. To improve it, a database or a file storage can be added to save data. Overall, the project improved my coding skill and showed me why clean design matters in the software development. Thank you.